Hey everybody, welcome to the live Facebook tour. It's my first Facebook live video. We're out here at 9965 Cambridge Brook Avenue in Las Vegas, Nevada. 89149 is the zip code. We're out here going to take a tour of this beautiful property. I hope everyone is happy and healthy, and we're doing this in a responsible way, giving you this virtual tour. I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around. We'll get this tour started. Alright, so here's the neighborhood. It's a beautiful neighborhood. You've got nice mountain views surrounding. You'll see that much better from the backyard. Comes a car. Up that direction is going to be Mt Charleston. All right, so this house is 4,000. My apologies. We're going to go over some of the conveniences first. We're right off of the N Hualapia and 215. The local schools are going to be Darnell Elementary, Edmundo Escobedo Middle School, Centennial Hills High School. We've got conveniences such as gas, banks. You got Smith's close by, you got Albertsons, you got parks, trails, Mt Charleston, and hopefully you never need it, but you got Centennial Hills Hospital very close by as well. Built in October 2018 by Lennar, this 4,146 square foot home sits on a 4,375 square foot lot. Features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Desert landscaping with an automatic drip system. The foundation has built-in insect repellent. Has pavers in the driveway, walkways, and back patio. Heading up to the garage here, you actually have a 4-bay garage. It's very large. The garage is pre-wired for an electric car. The storage racks up here are included with the home. Wonderful light in here. Got a 73-gallon water tank. The water softener is not included with the home. However, if the buyer wishes to get it, they're more than welcome to buy it privately from the seller. It is a beautiful community, Dolly. Thank you. All right, let's go head into the meat and potatoes of this sucker. Heading up the walkway here. Pavers again, as mentioned before. Got a nice sitting area right in the front area here. Large window. You got a double front door, which is fantastic. It's a very tall front door. Heading into the front entry. Got a large sitting area in the front here. You could definitely convert this into a formal dining room. Got a chandelier there. It does feature a bar right off of this area here. Great for entertaining. You could definitely put in a wine cooler there if you wish. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. Around this corner here, let's go straight into the kitchen. We'll get there in just a second. Yeah, Alberto, thanks for watching. What do you guys think so far? Kind of coming down to the hall, we're going to go into the great room. This is definitely a great room. It is very, very large. You could have many, many family activities here. I'm going to step back so you can kind of get a better view of it. ceiling fan. These sliders are amazing. It's one of my favorite features in a house. I wish mine had it. These sliders, they open up extra wide, so you could have a huge barbecue party once we get back to some normality. The window coverings in here, they are all custom made for this house. They slide down. The floors are 100% ceramic wood look. They are throughout the house. Walking over to the nook, got large windows there. Wonderful natural light coming in. One thing you're going to notice about this house, it has automatic lights, so you'll see those coming on and off as we come through the house. Right off the kitchen here, got a little bonus room. You could do so many things with this. I love the glass doors on it, glass French doors nonetheless. They made it into a little office, which is perfect. Another window in there for some natural light. This hallway here heads into the master suite. We'll head down there shortly. Kind of going into the kitchen. Got a lovely white granite with some purple accents in it. It's beautiful. Cabinets are very, very large. Nice decorating area up above. Double ovens, stovetop. All stainless appliances. Single bay sink. Microwave. All appliances are included. This backsplash is actually very beautiful. Lots of light in this house. It's wonderful. All right, we're going to head back into the bedroom areas now. There's going to be 3 main bedrooms back here. First room we're going to go into is going to be the powder room for entertainment. It's going to have an automatic light in there. There it is. Got a single sink. Around the corner to the toilet. Go straight down to this first bedroom here. There's a small linen spot right here. You can definitely do some laundry here if you like. Large cabinets, extra storage, craft area, many, many uses for that. First bedroom. Pardon me, I'm tripping on something in here. Every bedroom features a walk-in closet, which is fantastic. The bedrooms are carpeted. Gives a nice warmth to the house. And the bedroom includes its own bathroom. Hey guys. Kind of go into the second bedroom here. This one is wonderfully lit. One thing I like about this house is it has a Jack and Jill style bathroom with these last 2 bedrooms here. So it has its own sink here and then a shared shower tub combo with the toilet. And then obviously its own walk-in closet. It's beautiful. Walking into the final bedroom before we go to the master suite. More wonderful natural light coming from the front of the house there. The ceilings are very tall in this house. I would guess about 12 feet roughly. It does have its own custom moldings. Take a peek at that too as I'm kind of panning around. Final look at this bedroom here. Look at the color of the carpet here. Walk-in closet there. All right, now we're going to head over to the master suite. The house does feature some electronic thermostats. I've noticed 3 so far. There could be more zones, but it's all going to be customizable. I'll show you one when we get to the master suite. What do you guys think of the house so far? Give me some comments. Give me some wow faces on some reactions. All right, head into the master suite. There is a small hallway here. Master suite does feature the ceramic tile completely through, all the way to the bathroom. Large window there for natural light coming in. Heading into the master bath now. You're gonna love this bathroom. Huge bay window there. It is textured, so you get some privacy there. Large shower. Nice vanity. Let the queen of the home do her thing. His and her sinks. Look at this bathtub. Isn't that amazing? It's going to be where the water closet is. To the right here is going to be the master walk-in closet. It is very large, lots of storage. The current owners are getting ready to move, so just bear with them a little bit, but it is a wonderful space. And finally, one of my favorite features of this house is this area here, this private owner's suite. It's just a very simple room. You could do so much with this space. I would love to have a pool table in here. You could do a workout room, you could do a large office. There's so much you could do in here. It's great. And it also has some storage here as well. We're definitely not lacking any storage in this home. All right, so now we're going to head out back and check out the back side of this house. A couple notes on the back side. There's going to be solar screens on the back side of this house. That is the southernmost facing area. A large amount of heat from the sunshine in the summer comes from that direction. So that will definitely help keep your electric bills down. We're walking outside. Got a, like I said before, it's all paver. The entire area is covered. I'm going to put on my sunglasses again because it is definitely a beautiful day here in Las Vegas. I do not have them on me. I'll have to go find those. There's a barbecue stub right there, so if you want to hook up a barbecue. Natural gas, keep it easy. Easy is good. The backyard, it is totally customizable up to the buyer. It is already pre-plumbed with PVC, so you could just hook up a sprinkler system or a drip system to it however you see fit. It is a very large backyard. You could do a lot of stuff back here. More than enough room for a pool. Our solar panels up on top of the tile roof. Check out this view of these mountains, guys. Another wonderful feature of this house is if you have an RV, guess what you could have here? You don't have to pay rent for it. You could just put in a gate there, make a pad. It's already plumbed for sewage, so you don't need to go have that done elsewhere. You can just have it right done at your home. With these solar panels on the roof, there is a monthly charge to them. It's based on their production per month, so just keep that in mind. A couple other notes with the neighborhood. It is in the Emerald Crest community from Lennar. It's $55 a month. That includes the common area landscaping and the maintenance of the street and sidewalks. So a couple other things. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I think it's an absolutely beautiful home. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, if you want to set up your own virtual tour, or if you want to talk more about it with me, if you have a house you want to sell, let me know. We have lots of tools to be able to do things safely in this market. We have Zoom, we have Hangouts, we have Google. There's so many tools. So please, just let me know. I hope you all have a happy, healthy, safe time, and I will talk to you soon.